Jaehyun decided to test me, so now I'm here making you suffer with me. Yes, punch, because it feels like he's punching me in the guts. I mean, why not just punch me for a real one? Watch out, Gino. Jaehyun is here to take over your asthma. Come through, my man. This is exactly how it goes inside of me whenever I see Jaehyun. I hope you didn't think this was all, because this also happened.
넌 끊임없이 flow futuristic 나 주위를 맴도는 밤 빛의 속도 뒤집혀진 laser 105.
I don't know about you, but I get the wildest when I hear Jaehyun rap.
사케부 phrase 히라쿠 space 사카이 메오코의 세카이 express 말썽 빼는 척은 곤란해 미치겠는 분위기는 no thanks 흔들리는 내 달궈진 backseat 태운 뒤 빈틈없이 we get lit 뜨거워지는 순간 그게 소리쳐 You make me so mad 난 다른 걸넌 나를 미치게 만들고 있는 걸 I'm gonna be so mad 화려한 이 fancy place baby look at us 우리 봐봐 You make me so mad
Yeah, Johnny's gonna freestyle.
I lived in America for 4 years. That's why I'm here, man.
Check it.
I believe you. Let's all take a moment to appreciate his visuals. I don't know what he did with his voice, but it was cute. You can break mine, and I will say thank you.
여러분, 립은 뜯어야 되거든요. 잡고 뜯어야 돼. 잡고 뜯어야 되거든요.
Wait a second, that looked familiar.
바로 갈게요.
He's literally just sitting there and I'm like, dead. I am so sorry for that. His laugh, the way his face scrunches up. Jaehyun, you really have to quit playing with me now.
I got some things you want to see. Tell all your friends that you're busy. They know.
I'll be real honest with you. I don't think I will ever get sick of that song or music video. When they said it was a perfect song to listen to in the car, they weren't messing around. And when I said most beautiful shot, I really meant that. This has been my lock screen for months already. When you go from sitting so decently to this.
많이 걱정돼 행복하게
Just get a Jaehyun.
그냥 이런 식으로. 더 높아졌는데요? 그치. 오케이. 네, 올라가는 정도잖아. 요법이 4개. 네네. 뒤에 3번 돼 있잖아요. 언제 왔어, 대현아?
The struggle of not knowing if you want to put the headphones on or under your hoodie. Wake me up with this.
Okay. Bruce Lee.
Shimmy, 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 booty 붙네. 무대 위로 뛸때 난 앞으로 찔러 drown Bruce Lee. 날아다녀 하루 종일 Bruce Lee.
We get it, you're hot. Doesn't mean you have to get undressed. When I say duality, you think of this. but I think of this. Let me add some more examples of him being loud. I think he has a thing for just being loud with doors. Let's enjoy some of his visuals once more, and then I'll be gone. He could have lifted his shirt up. I would not have been mad. Never mind. The shirt is already living its own life. Thank you, Jaehyun, for once again testing me.